Locking your Jacuzzi 300 series display is a simple way to prevent unintended changes to your settings. We'll walk you through the steps to lock and unlock your display in just a few taps. Start by pressing on the screen to wake up the display. Next, press the 1 and 2 buttons. Select the settings icon. Scroll up with your finger and tap on Lock Settings. Select the functions you'd like to lock, then enter a 4-digit code of your choice. To unlock the display, follow the same steps and enter the selected code. And that's it. A quick and easy way to secure your settings and keep your spa experience just the way you like it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy maintenance tips from The Great Escape.